What if I told you the most powerful full-body workout on the planet doesn't require a gym, a program, or even much time, just a pair of weights and some space to walk? Farmers' walks may look simple, but they completely reshape how your body moves, feels, and performs. Most people think it's just a grip or trap exercise, but when you stick with it, what happens to your body will surprise you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this one move could replace half the machines in your gym. Grip strength. The first change, your grip. It might sound obvious, but grip strength isn't just about holding heavier weights. Studies show it's one of the strongest indicators of overall health and longevity. A stronger grip means better function, fewer injuries, and faster recovery. And you don't need to go heavy. Even short walks with moderate dumbbells will fire up your hands, wrists, and forearms. Those small stabilizers you use to hold on to things in daily life, they all wake up. You know that person who insists on carrying all the grocery bags in one trip? That's farmer's walk energy. Posture and shoulders. Look around. Most people walk with rounded shoulders and a forward neck. That's not just bad posture, it's weak upper back muscles. Farmers' walks fix that. You have to keep your shoulders pulled down and back, like you're pinching a pencil between your shoulder blades. That simple action retrains your traps and rhomboids to hold your body upright. Your rotator cuff kicks in too, stabilizing your shoulder joint with every step. If you've ever had shoulder pain, this is free physical therapy disguised as strength training. Within weeks, you'll stand taller and move smoother without even thinking about it. Core stability. Now, here's where the magic happens, your core. Forget crunches. Farmers' walks build the kind of deep core strength that protects your spine and keeps your body stable. The moment you pick up the weights, your body wants to twist and wobble. That's when your deep core muscles, especially your transverse abdominis, kick in to lock everything in place. These aren't six-pack muscles. They're the ones that protect your back when you lift your kid or twist the wrong way. This is functional, real-world strength, the kind that makes everything feel more solid. Muscle growth and fat loss. You might think, it's just walking, but give it a few days and your body will tell you otherwise. Farmers' walks activate your traps, lats, legs, and entire core all at once. That's why they build real muscle and burn fat at the same time. They're also built-in cardio that doesn't feel miserable. Your heart rate spikes, your lungs work, and your muscles stay under tension the entire time. It's one of the best forms of metabolic conditioning out there. Heavy carries for strength, light carries for conditioning. Both reshape your body and improve endurance fast. Balance and mindset. Every step challenges your balance and coordination. Your ankles, knees, hips, and core constantly communicate to keep you steady, training your nervous system to move smarter and react faster. And there's a mental side too. Carrying heavy weight quiets the mind. No distractions, no phone, just breathing and focus. When your forearms burn and your traps scream, but you keep going anyway, that's grit. Farmers' walks don't just build muscle, they build mental toughness that carries over into everything else you do. How to do it right. Before you try it, remember 3 quick tips. 1. Keep your shoulders back and down, chest tall. 2. Don't rush. Controlled steps build strength. 3. Brace your core like someone's about to give you a friendly punch. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 45 seconds using a moderate weight. Rest for a minute between sets. Then progress to heavier weights or longer walks as your grip improves. So next time you're in the gym, skip the complicated machines, grab some dumbbells, and start walking. Because the farmer's walk doesn't just build muscle, it builds posture, balance, and resilience from the ground up. It's strength you can feel in how you move, stand, and live every day. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to get stronger, inside and out.